Welcome to Elicia Oh So Fly. Thank you for taking the time to tune in. I truly appreciate it. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. Please go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe button. And to the Oh So Fly family, hey, how you guys doing? And welcome back. All right, so today I'm back with another wig review, and today I have the brand Sensational, and this is the stock card right here. All right, and here's the back. Okay, so this is the Sensational Dashingly Lace Unit 13. Now this is a lace front wig. I have her in the color 1B. She comes with a deep center part with baby hairs. She is safe heating up to from 350 to 400 degrees, and she comes in a variety of colors. This wig right here, I am loving it. Yes, yes, yes. So right here is the color chart right here of all the colors that she comes in right here. I don't know if you can see it. I hope it's not blurry. But yes, now I do have this in another color, and the color that I have is T4 AshBlonde, and I will show that later here in the video. Yes, this wig right here, it is so gorgeous. I am really loving it. Yes, I love the crimps. It is just so beautiful. Now this hair, this wig comes with the 3 combs and the adjustable straps. I would say that she is definitely big hair friendly. I had to crisscross this one in the back, but yes, I did cut off the lace. The lace is very soft. I did put some foundation inside the cap on the lace. I put it through the part and on the sides. Yes, I am loving the way this lace is laying on my head, as you can see right here. Up in here at the top right in here, I did cut a little triangle right in there, and I did try to fool with the baby hairs a little bit. You can probably see a little bit. I tried it right there, but yes, I was gonna wear it in the middle, but I changed my mind. I said, no, we're gonna wear a little bit to the side. But yes, I am loving this wig. This is gorgeous. The hair, I would say, is a soft, it's kind of it's a silky, like silky, but not too silky, if you know what I mean. But this is a nice quality synthetic hair. I would say she is going to be tangling, and you're definitely probably going to get some shedding for sure. But yes, the hair, like I said, it is very it is very soft, and I did use my wide tooth comb with this one right here instead of the brush. Yes, but I am really loving how this part up here is laying flat and everything. And only thing that I use with this one is my I use my bed head right here, and I did use the edge booster right here just a little bit for right in here, and I use my foundation powder for right in here, and just to make it look more realistic. I am really loving this wig. I'm feeling myself in this one. But yes, let me go ahead and give you a 360. Now I believe, I don't know, but this is very long on me. So I would guess she's about what, 20, maybe 20, I'm not sure. Is this 28 inches? Not 28 inches, but maybe, I don't know. She's falling like that on me because I'm short. But let me give you a 360. Here's the front, and here's the side, and here is the back. Let me stand up for you. As you can see, you see that? Yes, this thing, woo, it's all the way down there. Oh yeah. And then here's the side. But yes, this wig right here, oh wait, I can't wait to try the AshBlonde in. Girl. But yes, this is a beautiful wig. I did get this, I believe, from, where did I get this from? I got this one from samsbeauties.com. Yes, I saw the wig review from, who was it? All Day, and then I also seen the one from Wigs and Wonder Dust. Oh my gosh, I just love their videos. They are so funny and inspiring. Yes, yes, yes. But yes, let me know what you think about this video. I will leave the links to her in the description box below. But yes, let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.